more than us choosing him, I think he nailed the audition. Maybe if I was a man, maybe, because I'm not a boys club, maybe I'm a woman. I love Stuti! आपका काम बोलता है. At the end of the whole thing, 40 plus independent films, I wore sarees. When I was 26, you look at my pictures of being a producer at Gangs of Wasseypur, half color white. I've actually looked them back in the eye and I've said, you have to, you don't have a choice. I am the boss. I accept this on the Oscar stage that nobody's going to give you a seat on the table.
Yeah, make your own table, get
and
your
sit
own
on
seat.
it. And sit on it.
Are things better for women in the industry?
Hi, मेरा नाम है गुनीत मोंगा कपूर and I am on the Superwomania show with Stuti.
Superwomania Stuti.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Stuti and the Oscar goes to the one who's here. इनके लिए हम बोल सकते हैं नाम काफी है. ये हमारे लिए ऑस्कर लेके आई हैं. Nothing can be better. Guneet Monga Kapoor, welcome to the Superwomania show.
Thank you, Stuti. I'm so happy to meet you.
I've been wanting to say this line for so long. Welcome to the Superwomania show. You're flying high everywhere. So ये तो मुझे पता है कि आप कहाँ busy हैं. But हमने इतनी कोशिश करी to get her. And finally, I think 11-11 time worked for us.
Yes, the angel numbers. 11-11 worked. Yes.
Kill or 11-11 back to back. How does it all feel? How are you taking it all in?
It's been a rewarding last 1 month. Definitely. बहुत मेहनत की है कुछ साल. Kill पर भी we were trying to do something new with a genre film with action of a certain scale. With new actors, it's been incredible for it to be accepted around the world, globally, at the scale that it is being accepted, the way it is being distributed, it's being remade in US, the way Indian audiences accepted it. So it's been incredible.
Cannot move forward जब तक हम राघव जुग्याल की बात ना करें because clearly something's working. How was it? I mean, to trust him, he's of course over the moon. पर जैसे कपिल शर्मा ने पूछा और सब पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या है कैसे?
He's a beautiful actor. मतलब बहुत ही खूबसूरत इंसान है और बहुत ही अच्छा एक्टर है. More than us choosing him, I think he nailed the audition. He killed it in the audition. We tested 100 plus boys and he was so good. Kill both, Laksh and his camaraderie. And then here with Raghav, Kritika and Dhairya.
Yeah.
I just think it's been so nice working with just all these actors, and really, really strong performances.
आपने जैसे शुरुआत की like you said from an intern.
Yeah.
In fact, I think I was listening to you said interning an intern to being an official intern to where you are.
Yeah.
Where you are today. इस पूरी journey में, Guneet, since you're on the Superwomania show, we're calling you a Superwomania. Did you ever feel your journey would have been easier if you were a man? Did it ever cross your mind? लड़का होती तो?
नहीं actually. मैंने कभी ऐसे सोचा नहीं to be honest, and actually every challenge brought a bit of innovation in my mind, and I've been so focused on my work कि मतलब मुझे तो अपना काम करना है ना, और अगर किसी को प्रॉब्लम है मेरे से इंस्ट्रक्शंस लेने में, मेरे साथ बिजनेस करने में, तो वो उनकी प्रॉब्लम है. It's not my problem. You're in middle of a discrimination, you're in middle of a conversation, a negotiation which you feel is not in your favor. At the end of the day, I need to get the best deal for my film, for me, and move on. Over the years, looking back and articulating that maybe if I was a man, maybe, because I'm not a boys club, maybe I'm a woman, I actually just feel I've been focused on work. One thing, nothing beats work. Nothing beats more work being put out there. Right? Like, all I can do is keep working. आपका काम बोलता है. At the end of the whole thing, the reason I've been able to make 40 plus independent films is not like we didn't have hindrances or we didn't have judgment, or I showed up to that judgment as a challenge that I take and I get my work done. I internalize now as a 40-year-old looking back, I colored my hair white to get into a room. But at that point of time, I found that as a solution. To look older, to wear a sari and be
I'm glad you brought that up because for women to be taken seriously, they do these things, right? That
Yeah.
if you're the youngest in the room, तो आप
Want to
mature
project.
कैसे दिखो,
Yeah.
या आप थोड़ा अपना stiff masculine side दिखाओ,
Yeah.
you know, because people think women are emotional
Yeah.
and you know all
Yeah.
of that. Any such tweaks that you did? Like you said,
Yeah,
you
I
looked
said-
at it as a solution, but
Yeah, I wore sarees when I was 26. You look at my pictures of being a producer at Gangs of Wasseypur, half color white hair, you know, wearing double jacketed, like I'm embracing fashion now.
yeah,
But back then it was more about being older, being in a position of, you know, like to be taken seriously, not being seen as a 26, 27-year-old, but maybe late 30s, 40s,
Yeah.
जो अब है. And over the years I've realized that कभी होता है कि if a labor or a work that you're trying to get done and they don't want to take instructions from you, I've actually looked them back in the eye and I've said, you have to, you don't have a choice. I am the boss.
Yeah,
You know,
I love that.
so and I will only call shots and now you will only report to me. So, you know, so I've also given it back many times and build my position, you know, like I said this on the Oscar stage that nobody's going to give you a seat on the table.
yeah. You
Make your own
make your own table, get
and
your
sit
own
on
seat.
it and sit on it.
Yeah, yeah.
So I think मैं कहीं ना कहीं subconsciously वो बनाती आई हूँ कि ठीक है, मतलब ज़्यादा shy नहीं है ना, मैं अपने corner में खुश हूँ. So yeah.
Are things better for women in the industry? In the light of the Hema committee report and everything that our colleagues in the...
I also have to say that we at Sikhya and my organization, my company, of course, led by me, a woman, we have more women at work. So that's some sort of an echo chamber that we also live in our movies, in our films, in the universe that I inhabit. From having posh communities to having rules to having processes to being aware, to spread that awareness before shoot. So one does follow all the processes and I feel like we live in an echo chamber of being like हमारे नज़रिए से देखो तो यहाँ तो we are many of us, you know, and we are thriving and growing. But what I really think that WCC is so incredible about is that there was an incident that happened in 2017, right? And they responded to that incident. Some women came together and formed WCC.
Yeah.
And there was a need of ki, you know, we have to draw this line or we have to protect because a really gross incident happened. And that led them to form WCC. But वो formation के बाद क्या? What is very amazing about WCC is that they actually went to the government.
Yeah.
They actually said that now we need you to intervene to see the discrimination, to first-hand experience कि हमारे साथ क्या होता है. And that's when the report came along.
Yeah.
And जब वो report आई या बनी, which was 5 years ago, with a retired judge, Justice Hema, and that report came along, I think even the government was very shocked with the sheer volume of expression. And that was not just women, it was also men expressing. It was expressing around pay parity, it was expressing around gender, sexual favors, power play. It talks a lot about all kinds of discrimination a lot of people have faced. And they went to the government to intervene it. And now 5 years later with an RTI that it has come into light, I feel like there is a conversation that is happening there. Which is a new cinema policy, and that policy is something that will, be able to define the rules with government coming in. So more power to the women of WCC. I think they're holding the light strong and voicing it in the correct way, and change happens with social, political, economical, with all stakeholders understanding. And otherwise, how do we even sit and articulate patriarchy?
Yeah.
Because
it works in insidious ways. It's everywhere.
It's years of
conditioning. Yeah.
How does one, you only come together with conversation. You only come together with policy.
Yeah.
You can only make change with policy impact. And policy impact that I hope the Hema Commission can do, and that inspires. I do go to my therapy. I work with a life coach. I work with a therapist. I came from pretty much lower middle income group. मैं किसी ना किसी कहानी में खुद को ढूंढ लेती हूँ. किसी ना किसी कहानी से मोहब्बत हो जाती है.
Comic time.
Zakir Khan.